He's been pitching much better. Hitters are hitting just 181 against him in his last 5 starts. He's in the top 10 in the league in strikeouts, and the Astros could be a good match. You think of Robin Yount back with Milwaukee, became a great center fielder.
Grounded back to the mound, and Pineda gets Correa. Swing and a miss, chases a high fastball, and that'll do it. And usually the best available athlete is in fact a shortstop.
And that might be the true test to see what their plans for. Look out for Alex Rodriguez.
Pineda recovers and gets Tucker for the final out of the inning. Swing and a miss, chase a high fastball, and that'll do it. Did he go? Yes, he did. Gaddis down on strikes. Swing and a miss. Castro down on strikes. Pineda retires the Astros in order. Swing and a miss. Springer down on strikes. And the 0-2. Swing and a miss. Has Tucker down on strikes, 2 away. And the pitch. Fly ball, right field. Hicks back on the track. He'll make the play for the final out of the inning. Swing and a miss. Blew it right by him. Another strikeout. Chopped towards short. Didi waited for the hop and fired to get Springer. So 7 strong for Pineda.